Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation and welcome to my vlog. And today, I'm in the Grove at Forest Farms because I'm going to show you Philinvest Land new inventory here in the Grove. So yung mga offerings namin ngayon is mga residential lot only. So located dito sa Block 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pero yung first tranche na inopen ni Philinvest Land is located in Block 2, Block 4, and Block 5. So yun yung pupuntahan natin ngayon. So tara, samahan niyo po ako. Puntahan natin yung mga available na residential lot namin here in the Grove. So yung mga kabahay, I'm in the Grove at Forest Farm, Habila Township, Angono, Rizal. So yung nasa likod ko po is yung main gate ng the Grove at Forest Farm. And yung highway na yan, nasa likod ko rin po is yung Don Mariano Santos Avenue, kung saan from the main gate, mga 45 kilometers po, is SM Angono na. So tara, puntahan natin yung mga available na residential offering namin here in The Grove at Forest Farms. So yung mga kabahay, so i-walk tour ko kayo sa The Grove at Forest Farm. So from the main gate, yan po yung main gate na The Grove, punta tayo sa Block 1. So ito pa yung Block 1 ng The Grove Phase 2. So ang available po na in-offer namin right now is mga residential lot offering. So again, it's a Philinvest Land Inventory. So ito po ang Block 1 ng Phase 2. So i-flash ko po yung details ng Block 1 and yung mga offerings nito. So on my left, so dito po is yung Block 3. So ito naman po mga kabahay ang Block 3. And ito ang Block 1. So puntahan natin yung Block 2. So yung Block 2, so dun po sa may Focorb. So yung mga kabahay, continue tayo sa walk tour ng The Grove at Forest Farm. So again, ang mga available offerings namin dito is mga residential lot only. And ang terrain mga kabahay is gently moderate to extreme sloping. So yan. So malapit na tayo sa Block 2. So dito po sa Block 2, ang offerings namin is yung mga average lot cut nasa 290 square meter and up. So yan. So yan po. Nasa Lacewood Street. So again, yung terrain for Block 2 is moderate sloping. Gently to moderate sloping. And yan ang view ng The Grove. So nasa phase 2 po tayo ng The Grove at Forest Farm. And yun, yung team ng The Grove is nature themed. So yan mga kabayan po yung Block 1. So nandun yung main gate. Ito naman po yung Block 3. So yan. So puntahan natin yung Block 5. So yung mga kabahay, kung naghahanap kayo ng residential lot only here in Havila, 290 square meter to 534 square meter. So ideal is ang The Grove at Forest Farm. So it's a Aspire brand of Philinvest Land. So mid-high po ang category nito. So for phase 2, fully developed na ang land dev. Kung mapapansin niyo yung road networks is fully completed na for phase 2. So yung mga kabahay, so yan po yung Block 5. So i-flash ko na rin sa screen ang details for Block 5. So dito medyo mas malaki ang cut ng lot sa Block 5. Yan, hanggang dun po yan sa baba, sa dulo. So yan ang Block 5 ng The Grove. And now, puntahan natin yung last. but not the least, yung Block 4. So yung Block 4, mas malapit siya sa main road ng The Grove. Ayan. So yung mga kabahay, tingnan nyo yung lapad ng secondary road ng The Grove. Malapad siya. So kung naghahanap kayo ng lot only, bandang Angono, Rizal, kasi ang The Grove is located in Angono, Rizal. So it's an expansion of Forest Farm. So yung mga kabahay, again, ito yung Block 5. Oh. So tara, puntahan natin ang Block 4. So di ba inikot ko lang po, walking distance lang, ang buong phase 2. So ito po yung Block 4. So dito, medyo extreme na yung pagka-slope niya. Yan. So hanggang dun po yan sa baba. So maganda for Block 4 and Block 5. So kung mapapansin nyo, end lot, di ba? So yun. And mga kabahay, yung dulo ng Block 4 and ng Block 5 is reserved land. Yung portion na to is remain at east. So walang babaguhin dyan. Parang forested yan. Forested area. So, tara, puntahan natin ang main highway ng The Grove. So, if you will notice, yung mga bahay na nandun po kanina, pinakita ko, yung dalawa is may mga ano po yan, may mga may-ari na. So, yung Rossini and yung Vivaldi model. So, in the future, mag-open po si Phil & Bass Land ng house and lot package here in The Grove. But right now, ang in-offer po for the meantime is mga residential lot only. So, mga kabahay, doon po tayo galing. Yun po yung main gate. So, ito po ang main road or highway ng The Grove. So, ito po ang Block 4. Yan. So, banda doon ang amenity area. And ang amenity area ng The Grove is shared with Forest Farm. So, welcome back again. I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. So, yung mga kabahay, katatapos lamang po natin mag-walk tour here in The Grove. Kanina pinakita ko po sa inyo yung mga residential lot offerings namin, still by Phil & Bass Land Inventory. So, yung mga available po is located in phase 2 of The Grove at Forest Farm. So, again, kompleto na po yung land dev. Yun. And kung naghahanap po kayo ng residential lot only, here in Angono, Rizal, so tamang-tama ang The Grove. So again, I'm Agent J. I'm open for site viewing. You may contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Thank you for watching and God bless. Bye.